Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Share. Whisk egg yolks, water and lemon juice in small saucepan until blended. Cook over very low heat, stirring constantly, until mixture bubbles at the edges. Stir in butter, one piece at a time, until butter is melted and sauce is thickened. Remove from heat immediately. Stir in salt, paprika and pepper.
Let's help you make your mark.
The ingredients for hollandaise sauce are butter, egg yolks, lime juice, heavy cream, and salt and pepper. Some people worry about raw eggs in their hollandaise sauce. In this sauce, the eggs are cooked. They are just cooked very slowly to avoid curdling.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What's the difference between hollandaise and bearnaise sauce? Hollandaise is an egg yolk mixture emulsified with unsalted butter and acid. Bearnaise sauce builds on hollandaise with egg yolks, butter, white wine vinegar, shallots, and tarragon.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.